Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about ICT architecture using the TOGAF framework in the hotel industry. My name is Mukhtarov Zhandos. Let's move on. So today we're going to talk about the introduction to all of this ICT architecture, the business architecture phase and the ICA, information system architecture phase, and the technological phase, and talk about the opportunities and solutions and its strengths and the future directions. So, introduction to the TOGAF framework. The TOGAF framework just gives us the structured approach to make the our architecture more reliable. So, so it enables alignment between the IT structure and the business strategies, and covers the business, data, applications, and the technology layers. And it's focused on the making the building the scalable and efficient ICT systems. And the business architecture phase, it proposed making the business strategy and the governance for the ICT. The phase, it had key elements, so it will have the stakeholders or customers who will use this business and the core business processes, and after all the operating model and the value streams, as we needed to making the for ICT and architecture to connect them. And the customers and stakeholders, the primary customers who will use the business, so hotel guests, the corporate clients, event planners, on the key stakeholders, the management staff, the IT department, and the vendors. And it has their own objectives, so enhance the guest satisfaction, optimize the operations, and improve the revenue streams. The main business processes, the first one is guest management, the reservation, the check-in, check-out, and the personalized experiences. And it has its own operations, the housekeeping, the maintenance, the resource optimization, and the marketing and sales, the campaigns, promotions, and the loyalty programs. It can have their own, just like the Hilton Honors, the Rixes. Just for example, at the finance, we just need to billing, accounting, and reporting to make the fulfilling our business process. At the ICA phase, we just need the application and the data systems supporting the business. It will have the main components, the data architecture, application architecture, and the integration strategies. For example, for the application architecture, we can have the Opera. It aimed to managing the linking the reservation part with the housekeeping management to make them more comfortable for working in the check-in and check-out the systems. So at the data architecture, we just need to centralize the guest profiles to store the manage the guest preferences and the history for making the further loyalty programs for them, and the databases real time for housekeeping, inventory, and the maintenance, and the reporting for the insights into the trends and the performance and the security. We just need to encrypt and the compliance with the GDPR regulations and the security part. And the PMS, as we said about the property management system, we can use the Opera. It used the Java structured, the centralized operations management system, and the CRM, the guest engagement and the loyalty programs, mobile applications at the additional part, and the integration platforms connect to IOT, PMS, and the CRM. All of this architecture we need to connect them. At the technology architecture phase, we just need to define the hardware, software, and the networking systems for the working the technology architecture in the fulfilling this one. At the first one, the infrastructure, the cloud on the premises, we just need to focus. And the next one is the networking for working in the reservation part and the check-in part. We just need the high-speed connectivity and the devices, all of the POS terminals, the servers, the IOTs should work properly. So we just talk about this one, the high-speed routers, switches, and the mesh Wi-Fi's. For servers, we just need the how to base it on the robotics. This gonna be in the tested ways for housekeeping and the concierge tasks. So opportunities and solutions, the trends in the technology. We just need to AI in the machine learning. We can conduct this part for making the easier for working in the concierge tasks, reservation tasks, and the blockchain for secure operations. We can handle all of the datas, and for secure, we can divide it, not store them in centralized way, in a decentralized or distributed way. It can be used for loyalty programs or just another purposes. The virtual reality, we will talk about further. The 5G and the advanced networking, we just need the high-speed connectivity. The trends, AI-powered analytics for guest personalization and demanding the forecasting. The augmented reality for immersive guest experiences. The sustainability. The solutions proposed, as we said, the problems, as we said. So according to AI, the technology stack, we can implementing the AI-driven chatbots for customer support, so deploying the cloud platform for data sharing across the departments. We will have the sales department, housekeeping department. We just need one unified platform for connecting them without misconductions. So, and adopting the cybersecurity for the enhancing the security part. The future growth opportunities, what can we get from these solutions? The leveraging the big data to create the predictive models for guest preferences, and introducing the automated systems to reduce the operational cost and improve the efficiency, and focusing the personalized services to increase the guest loyalty and the retention. We can use the phone numbers or just emails to take them in the loyalty programs. Machine learning and the AI, artificial intelligence, how we can use in a hotel industry. And applications, automated room allocation and the dynamic pricing. We can just use in the applications to be more informative for our guests. So recommendation systems, what will be the benefit? Increased guest certification, the operation decision making, and the blockchain. We talk about the decentralized payment systems for secure and fast transactions. The benefits, advantages, the enhanced trust with the customers and the vendors, the decrease in the risk of fraud or cyber attacks. In the IoT, smart technology, we just need to Internet of Things enabled smart rooms, the lighting, temperature, entertainment system for just how we gonna work just for this time. We just need to call the maintenance to make the lighting the more lighter or just darker, or temperature for just regulating the air conditioning. So Internet of Things can help us this part. And a virtual reality, the virtual tools, what application we can suggest you the virtual tools of hotel rooms facilities during the booking, and the virtual reality based training for hotel staff. It's going to be help to make faster introducing with the hotel maps or just and other things. So that's all. What a conclusion I can say. In the conclusion, so we can connect ICT with the hotel industry. It cannot work without information communication technologies. We just need the several parts, as we said, the PMS, the property management system, just like the post terminals. It cannot work without the ICT. That's all. Thank you for your attention.